Hey y'all, so today I'm doing this rhinestone blinged out French tip set, and I already skipped all the prepping part, the buff and the filing. It's just not a fun part, so I cut it out. But I left the base coat part in for y'all, just so y'all could, still be part of the prepping or whatever. And yeah, so I just feel like talking. Okay? I just feel like rambling. And today I was like, what set do I want to do? And I was thinking, you never do anything with your rhinestones. I always try to avoid my rhinestones. Like, they be right there in my face, in my drawer all the time. I have hella, different kinds. I have better quality ones. I have not so good quality ones, but I always try to avoid them. And today, lately, I've been wanting to challenge myself. You know what I'm saying? Oh, by the way, guys, here I wanted to use this C&D shellac color because it was like a really nice nude. But I was running out, so I was like, let me use this one. This is from, this brand is from AliExpress, bomb.com. I love them. I'm actually going to order some more. But, yeah, the C&D one was empty, so I just ended up using the other one. I have to go through my nail polishes and clean them and all that boring stuff. But pause. So, y'all, I really did this. I really outlined the nail part instead of just painting over the whole nail. And yeah, I did that. Why did I do that? I don't know. And it really didn't hit me that I could have just painted the whole nail and then did the French tip thing with the rhinestones after. It really didn't hit me until I sat down and I was editing the video. I was like, no, the hell you didn't. And I sure in the hell did. But, learning by doing. Next time I know better. And that's the great thing about practicing, even when you don't have any orders, when you don't have any customers, any nails to do. It's good to practice because you notice little things like this. You notice what you can do better. You just recognize. Okay? You just recognize, really. But yeah, so I really did that with the whole dotting tool and everything, and then smoothed it out with the brush after so you wouldn't see the dotting tool lines. It was just so extra of me. But yeah, so y'all gonna see me do that. But if y'all doing this or recreating it, whatever the case might be, just paint over the whole nail. Just paint over the whole nail. Anyways, so yeah, lately I've been wanting to challenge myself, push myself even more. Try new things. For example, I work in a nail salon, and I do pedicures there. Actually, I'm supposed to be doing manicures and pedicures, but people just like pedicures more for some reason. And I haven't worked in a nail salon since right before COVID 2020. Or was that? No, actually it was during right before all the nail salons closed. And that was the last time I was doing pedicures. And so I come into this new salon now where these girls, they've been doing, all types of nails, pedicures, manicures, all that kind of stuff for years, for decades now. And, I'm just the new young girl. You know what I'm saying? So I really did have to push myself just in that environment, because the girl, first of all, I'm only working with ladies. Y'all know how that goes. Oh, look at her, think is she, blah, blah, blah. It's just always something to say. I know people talk behind my back, but I don't care because I'm pushing myself and I'm challenging myself to learn new things, to, get better at these pedicures and, just challenging myself, really. So I really do enjoy that because sometimes you don't even know the type of shit you're capable of. And everyone starts somewhere. And that's why I don't feel no type of way working in this salon. But back to the rhinestone part. Yes, so I always try to avoid rhinestones. So I was like, let me push myself and, try to do something that I usually avoid. And yeah, so today I was like, let me use some of these rhinestones and just play with it. And I love that I did it, even though, for example, like I said, with this French tip part going on here, I learned, next time I won't do that mistake. Or, I learned by myself. Next time I might have a customer or a client saying they want, blinged out French tip. And next time I'll know to paint over the whole nail, and that'll save me time with the client as well, because a customer does not want to sit through shit that's not necessary. You know what I'm saying? And neither do you. Think about your back, think about your neck. So I'm glad I did this by myself. And so for next time, I know better. But yeah, y'all should do the same. I'm always encouraging people to do whatever it is you want. Like, bro, if you want to become an ultrasound tech, do that. If you want to, I don't know, work at a grocery store, do that. If you want to do lashes, do it. I know in the very beginning, it's very hard to kind of go after or go for what you want. Right here, I'm just putting on a top coat. It's really unnecessary because, like I said, y'all could have just put on the nude color twice, and then the top coat, and then put on the bling. So yeah. But what was I saying? I hate when this happens. I think I was saying something along the lines like, if you want to do something, if you want to do this, that, just do it. Oh, that's what I was saying. So in the very, very beginning, it's very, hard to push yourself out of that comfort zone. Like, for example, when I first started my business, by the way, it's like my 1-year anniversary for my business. Yes, I know, kind of exciting. I was like, damn, I should have took like some pictures or something, gotten cute, but it's okay. Because next year, I'm coming with some heat. So them pictures gonna come out. Them celebration pictures gonna come out. Anyways, I need to stop rambling, getting off topic, yapping. Oh, so when I first started my business, oh, by the way, guys, look. Y'all can use putty, put it on your dotting tool, and then use that if you don't have one of them rhinestone tools. But just don't apply too much pressure, because then the rhinestones aren't going to come off. But, so, anyways, what I was saying is, what was I saying? Oh, God. I wish, somebody could just tell me, girl, this is what you said, continue on. What the hell? Oh, so, when you tell somebody, I have this idea, say you have, I don't even know, a cat bed business idea. Everybody, well, not everybody, but cats need beds, and there's people out there willing to buy these beds, right? If you have that idea, and say you tell somebody close to you, you could tell when people are genuinely happy for you, and they ask questions, they want updates, blah, blah, blah. But then you can also tell when someone's just kind of fucking hating. I hate haters so much. I hate them. Actually, I don't hate them because I don't even give them that type of energy. But it's just why is you, especially if someone's close to you, why is you being like that to that person? Kind of shitting on their idea, well, you ain't gonna be making no money with that, or that's not really gonna pop off. Is you God? Is you Jesus? Can you see the future? Have you already done this? And did it not work out for you? Even if that was the case, we are not the same. So stuff like that really does bother me, because it's just so much negativity. You can always try something, and if it doesn't work out, you could try something else, and you did it. You should be proud of yourself for even, attempting it, putting yourself out there, doing it, and you always learn by doing. No matter what it is, you always learn. So for example, there's this girl I know. I've known her for a year, and this whole year she works at a barbershop. This whole year she's been looking for a hair shop, because she wants to open up her own hair shop and not work at this barbershop anymore. So she's been working there for 12 years. Her coworkers are her friends. She's been to their birthday parties, all that stuff, personal shit. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, I be talking to her, when do I talk to her? I talk to her, maybe, I don't know, every week or so, or every 2 weeks or something like that, And she messaged me the other day, and she told me about how she got her own place finally. And I'm oh my God, that's bomb.com. But she was telling me, what was bothering her. And she had told me that the coworkers she was working with, she had told them that she finally got her place. She's excited. She's I got my own shop and it's this and it's nice, it's big, and you know, I'm so happy. Just like that, you know, probably oversharing. That's another thing. Don't fucking overshare with people that don't fuck with you. Or if you know they're not genuinely there for you, happy for you, whatever the case might be, don't overshare. Don't share shit, matter of fact. But yeah, she was telling them that, and they was just like, kind of like, oh, okay, well, like, hope that works out for you. Like, she's been to these people's birthday parties. Like, she's been working with them for years, chopping it up, laughing every single day. Shit, maybe even eating lunch together. Bro, she was like, for real hurt that these people was acting like that. And I had to really talk to her. I was like, girl, fuck them people. Fuck them for real. Because at the end of the day, like, they could be miserable all they want to just because they're stuck. You should never have that stop you from growing. Never let miserable people stop you from growing. Do whatever it is you want to do. And she's like, yeah, but still. I'm like, no, bro. Those are the people you just gotta cut out of your life. Anyways, back to the nails. This was very fun for me, and I'm glad that I tried something new and something out of my comfort zone. And yeah, it is very you need time for this. Like, when I started on the first nail, I was like, why in the hell did I do this to myself? So yeah, it does take quite some time. And also, use different size rhinestones. Don't use the same size. It'll look weird, okay? And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys want me to stop editing stuff out, you know, and just let the whole video play through, let me know. It's gonna be a lot longer than 12 minutes. But yeah, look at them. They're so cute. I'm so glad I tried this. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Peace.